Introduction of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define artificial intelligence, describe the relationship between artificial intelligence and data science, define machine learning, describe the relationship between machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science, describe different machine learning approaches, identify the applications of machine learning. Let's understand how the field of artificial intelligence emerged. Let's first understand the reason behind the emergence of AI. Data economy is one of the factors behind the emergence of AI. It refers to how much data has grown over the past few years and how much more it can grow in the coming years. When you look at this graph, you can clearly understand how the volume of data has grown. You can see that since 2009, the data volume has increased by 44 times with the help of social websites. The explosion of data has given rise to a new economy, and there is a constant battle for ownership of data between companies to derive benefits from it. Now that you know that data has grown at a rapid pace in the past few years and is going to continue to grow, let's understand the need for AI. As you know, the increase in data volume has given rise to big data, which helps manage huge amounts of data. Data science helps analyze that data. So the science associated with data is going toward a new paradigm where one can teach machines to learn from data and derive a variety of useful insights, giving rise to artificial intelligence. Now, you may ask, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence displayed by machines that simulates human and animal intelligence. It involves intelligence agents, the autonomous entities that perceive their environment and take actions that maximize their chances of success at a given goal. Artificial intelligence is a technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence using logic. It is a program that can sense, reason, and act. Let's look at some of the areas where artificial intelligence is used. Artificial intelligence is redefining industries by providing greater personalization to users and automating processes. One example of artificial intelligence in practice is self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are computer-controlled cars that drive themselves. In these cars, human drivers are never required to take control to safely operate the vehicle. These cars are also known as autonomous or driverless cars. Let's see how Apple uses AI. iPhone users can experience the power of Siri, the voice. It simplifies navigating through your iPhone as it listens to your voice commands to perform tasks. For instance, you can ask Siri to call your friend or to play music. Siri is fun and is extremely convenient to use. Another example is Google's AlphaGo, which is a computer program that plays the board game Go. It is the first computer program to defeat a world champion at the ancient Chinese game of Go. Amazon Echo is another product. It's a home-controlled chatbot device that responds to humans according to what they are saying. It responds by playing music, movies, and more. If you've got compatible smart home devices, you can tell Echo to dim the lights or turn appliances on or off. You can use AI in chess, and here is an example of a concierge robot from IBM called IBM Watson. The IBM Watson AI has typically been in the headlines for composing music, playing chess, and even cooking food. Let's move ahead and look at some sci-fi movies with the concept of artificial intelligence. The films featuring AI reflect the ever-changing spectrum of our emotions regarding the machines we have created. Humans are fascinated by the concept of artificial intelligence, and this is reflected in the wide range of movies on AI. Recommendations systems are used by a lot of e-commerce companies. Let's see how they work. Amazon collects data from users and recommends the best product according to the user's buying or shopping pattern. For example, when you search for a specific product in the Amazon store and add it to your cart, Amazon recommends some relevant products based on your past shopping and searching pattern. So before you buy the selected product, you get recommendations based on your interest, and there is a possibility that you may also buy the relevant product with the selected product. If not, you have the chance to compare the selected product with the recommended products. Now let's move ahead and understand the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Even though the terms artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and data science fall in the same domain and are connected to each other, they have their specific applications and meaning. Let's try to understand a little about each of these terms. Artificial intelligence systems mimic or replicate human intelligence. Machine learning provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experiences without being explicitly programmed. Data science is an umbrella term that encompasses data analytics, data mining, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and several other related disciplines. Let's look at the flow diagram and try to understand the relationship between AI, machine learning, and data science. Interestingly, ML is also an element of artificial intelligence. So the first step is data gathering and data transformation. This step basically comes under data science. Data transformation is the process of converting data from one format or structure into another format or structure. Data transformation is important to activities such as data management and data integration. After gathering data, we would want to use the data to make predictions and derive insights. In order to get predictions out of the data set, we use machine learning techniques such as supervised learning or unsupervised learning. On an overview level, supervised and unsupervised learning are the machine learning techniques used to extract predictions from a given data set.
Now you must be thinking where deep learning comes into the picture. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning involved with algorithms. It uses artificial neural networks, which are modeled on the structure and performance of neurons in the human brain. Deep learning is most effective when there isn't a clear structure to the data that you can just exploit and build features around.
Now, the next step in the flow diagram is to get insights from predictions being made. In order to do so, you need to use data analysis, which actually is the process under data science. Now, when you are done with all of these, you must want your data to perform some actions. This is where AI comes into the picture. Artificial intelligence combines predictions and insights to perform actions based on the human decision and automated decision.